Welcome traders, it's Mac. Today was Tuesday, April 15th, 2025, and I started a new 100K advanced challenge today through Alpha. If you saw my last video, the last 3 trading days were terrible. They were all red. I hit my max drawdown after being up $4,000 on the account. So some mistakes on my part, other just really bad volatility, bad market conditions, to be honest. But started back today, and today was a green day. I got my first win in a long time, so we'll go over it. Nice sell here between 7 and 9 before the open. Starts to cross over right here at 9 o'clock. Open candles right here. Candle after the open is the buy signal. Now, it was triggering a buy as soon as it opened right here and was shooting all the way up here. So thankfully it pulled back. Got entry, and let's zoom in. Entry was a little off again. Fills have not been great. Should have been 76.50. I got in at 78, 18,978. So this looks like a winning trade, right? No, it was not. We got up above 30 points, think like 35, 36 points in profit. Moved to break even. This thing wicks all the way down. I got stopped out, technically stopped out, break even. Now, I looked at my orders on Alpha, and I actually got filled at 18,978.75. I got filled 3 ticks higher than I should have. So I actually made $6 on this trade. But I went down to the 15-second time frame. Let's get back to that. This will take forever. 15-second time frame, looking at this chart. And after we hit the 1-to-1 up here, we came down. We did not actually hit my stop. But because of bid-ask spreads, I got filled like right here. I mean, that could be a difference in NQ and MNQ because they're not entirely the same tick to tick, but this is a very frustrating trade. This should have been a win. This should have been a 2-to-1 win, but instead it was a break even. So I even said in the high strike group, like, that's more frustrating than taking a loss. Like, if I had just taken a loss, it would have been more understandable. Oh, that's back on Monday. Let's get back to Tuesday. All right, so high strike signaled a long up here. They reached a trim point, took some off, and then got stopped break even. So they made a little bit of money on this long. I was not interested in anything up here. As you can see, this huge down move came back to VWAP. And here, I got this line on the chart. This is yesterday's close. This is the previous trading day's close. You can see we hit that, served as support really well right here. This is a signal after between 11 and 12. Don't take those. You can see that would have been a loss. And then this one again, the very next candle, that would have been a loss. I don't trade between 11 and 12. So 12 hits. All of these candles started to print along. This started to print along. This started to print along. This one too. So I'm like, okay, we're going to get the long. Where is it? Where is it? So this candle hits the 21, prints the long right here. Entered. A little bit up. Very close to a stop right there. Like 28 points, like only like a couple of points from the stop. This one comes back, closes pretty good in profit. This one's coming up. I'm feeling good. I'm like, all right, now we're like 20-some points up. Let's go. This candle comes back to break even. This candle wicks comes back below, closes below. Then this candle goes neutral. Doesn't quite hit the stop, and then this next one hits the stop. So this is a loss. And looking back, we were trying to clear these highs and just could not clear these highs. I thought this closed above, but it closed right at this high, and then just this wick right here served as resistance. So now we're coming down really hard. EMA's crossover. Started to print a sell right here. Thankfully, it wicked back up. If there was another sell here, that's probably not a good play because this yesterday's close was support. This area was a support area. You don't want to take a short down here. So thankfully, it comes up. We get the signal. I enter the signal here because we've got enough room to go 45 points before we hit this line. So this one, because it's an afternoon, I took as a 1.5 to 1 risk reward. It works out. We get the win. So now I'm green on the day. Could have kept going. This actually went 75 points. So this could have been a 2 to 1. But like I said, with this level, support here and support in the morning, I did not want to risk it, retracing on me and being another break even. So took it for a 1.5 to 1. And that was $720 and then 480. So I'm up 240 on the day. Not a great day, but a green day, not a red day. So that's all I'm asking for right now. And then could have been a 21 rejection here, but I think, like I said in my last video, I'm taking the signals, and after the signal, that's my only play. The only way I'm going to take a 21 entry is if we get the signal before 9, and then it reacts at the open or around the open, because those have been successful in my long list of trades. So, but that's it for the day. No more trades. It's 3:30 now. Power hour's going on, and this is nothing. This is pretty choppy right now, and this is super choppy. This is pretty much a barcode for something you'd buy in the store, but still trusted this one because I was expecting the breakout above this level, but it was just too much resistance there. So not upset about it. I followed my rules. All of these trades I took were good trades. I hate this one didn't work out because we'd had a really good day, but we're going to keep chugging along. It's about staying in the game. It's not about hitting the finish line first. It's about staying in the game. So we'll see what happens tomorrow on Wednesday. Powell speaks at 1:30 Eastern Time. I will be done before then, I promise. I'm not going to be trading anything near when Jerome Powell is going to be speaking. So that's it for that. Give me a like and subscribe. Hopefully we're going to take this account to the $8,000 level. I'd like to do it within 30 days, so by May 15th, so I'm not having to pay another fee for the membership, but I'm not going to try to rush it because then we'll just have to start over again and we'd lose all our progress. So one day at a time, stay in the game. That's the whole point of trading. So I will catch you later.